To the very first coding video on this channel. I am Bilal, and if you are new here, this is the place where we break down Kotlin and Android development step by step. So today we are kicking things off with the heart of every Kotlin program, the main function. Whether you are a beginner or just brushing up on your basics, this is where your Kotlin journey begins. Alright, let's dive straight into the code and see what the main function look like in Kotlin. So I'm going to print the line here. Hello Kotlin. So this is the main function. So basically this is the entry point of every Kotlin program. The main function is where the execution starts. So here the program simply prints hello Kotlin to the console. So let's see. Okay. So as you saw, it prints hello Kotlin just like we expected. Now let's add a bit more to this function. So I'm going to define two variables here. So I'm going to print these values as well. Then I'm going to copy this as well. And I'm going to write. Okay. So here I have added two variables here, name and age. So Kotlin is smart, so it automatically knows the type of these variables. We can use string templates to insert these values directly into the output here. Okay, so let's run this program. Okay. And there you have it. It prints out the values of name and age. The main function is essential in every Kotlin program because it is where the magic begins. We will dive deeper into functions, variables, and much more. But for now, you have just written your very first Kotlin program. So if you have found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Kotlin tutorials. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.